Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Here on the AVAX chart, we are coming down quite a bit. I think it's been stagnant since yesterday, really. But price has hit the first relevant level of support here in this pullback, which I call a 38.2 fib level here at 1365. So the thing is, this is a little bit of an unclear structure, okay, but we are moving in a very clearly defined ascending broadening wedge. We can also understand this as a potential diagonal structure. These are increasingly and very, very difficult to count, okay? So we are essentially always looking for 5 waves up. What we ideally want to get some clarity that a lasting low has been established, we want to have a 5-wave move. At the moment, it's clearly only a 3-wave move. I don't have 5 waves here. So this is potentially just the A wave, yeah, this top of an ABC correction. In this wave count, we can prepare to come down in a B wave, ideally into the region between the 50% retracement level and the 78.6 retracement. I always show the 38.2 fib level as well because we sometimes see a bounce there. But ideally we go a little lower. Ideally we even break the trend line. I know it sounds crazy to say that, but we would then get some clarity. Because I would struggle to really tell you, okay, this was a B wave if we stay within the wedge pattern. Ideally, we want a clear break of the wedge pattern, but still price should hold above the 78.6 retracement at 1122. That would make me comfortable saying that this is a B wave. And then we could rally in a C wave, which would still potentially be bearish. Yeah, it could still take it to another low, but again, there are bullish options, but we focus on what we see and we want to see clear charts. This chart is not so clear. It's actually moving up. Yeah, it did move up quite aggressively here, but that was all related to the XRP news, wasn't it? And a lot of coins did move up, and it has all come down again. So I can only really count that as a diagonal structure, which is always messy. So it could be corrective, or it could turn into a wave 1 with 5 waves. But then I would need to see at least one more high here to count it a possible wave 1. At the moment, it would be an A wave because it only has 3 waves. And as long as it's holding 1122, it could go higher. But it's not really bullish at the moment, okay? All it's doing is moving up in a corrective structure. Yes, quite a bit in terms of percent, but still it's moving up in a corrective structure. It's overlapping, and so far it's only a 3-wave move. I still would track here a potential turning point, but bear in mind I highlighted in orange, so it's not anything that I'm really convinced about or very bullish about. It's just sort of, okay, if this is going higher, then it should hold the 78.6 fib level. Below that level, yeah, we probably look for new lows straight away because below the 78.6 fib level, things are usually starting to break down completely. So yeah, so what I want to communicate, we're now entering a support level, a support area. I think there's a decent chance for a bounce off the trend line. If it makes one more high, which would be above 1591, we potentially can count it a wave 1, but it would still need to be a diagonal pattern, not an impulse. That always costs it a little bit of reliability. And then in a wave 2 pullback, we can then track wave 2 support. At the moment, it's a little unclear. Now, this cannot be a 1-2 yet. Well, it could be, but don't go there. This would be unreliable. So at the moment, I'm just tracking these support levels where price can form a turnaround. But the problem with how the structure is going is I need to see 5 waves in order to really say price has formed a lasting low on the 10th of June. We're always interested in a lasting low, aren't we? We want to get back into a long-term uptrend. At the moment, I just don't see that on this chart yet. But if something changes, I will, of course, make you aware. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.